Okay, so video 3, we're on to volume of cones. So volume of cones is the area of the base times the height divided by 3. Remember that the area of the base is pi r squared. Okay, so this is my height, this is my radius. So volume is pi r squared h divided by 3. Volume is pi times 7 squared times 13 divided by 3, and then we just pop that in the calculator. So let's see, 49 pi times 13 all divided by 3. We'll get 637 pi over 3, which is approximately 667. Oh, I got a little ahead of myself there. 667.1 inches cubed. Okay, then on to number 19. Again, the diameter goes all the way across. So your radius is 8, and this here is your height. All right, so volume is pi r squared h over 3. Volume is pi times 8 squared times my height of 16 over 3. Gotta put that in my calculator. 64 pi times 16 all divided by 3. So we will get 1024 pi over 3, which is approximately 1072.3 meters cubed. Okay, now this particular cone here, we do not know the height. We do know the radius, and we know the slant height. So if that side is 30, so is this side. So this triangle right here, we are going to have to use Pythagorean theorem to get this height right there. All right, so the hypotenuse is the longest side, so we're going to be subtracting. So a squared equals c squared minus b squared. This is c across from that right angle. So a squared is the square root of 30 squared minus 13 squared. So a is, because we got to take the square root of that side and square root of this side. I'm just going to pop that in the calculator. 30 squared minus 13 squared. Please make sure that your largest number goes first so that you don't get a negative. We get square root of 731, which is approximately 27.037. And then that's our height. Okay, so volume is pi r squared h over 3. So pi times 13 squared times 27. Actually, it would be easier to just say 731 square root of, and then get the decimal at the end. Okay, so that's already on my calculator. So I'm going to do times 13 squared pi. I'm just using the previous answer, and I'm going to divide all of that by 3. Okay, so we get 4,784.9, and it doesn't have any units listed, so it'll be units cubed. Okay, number 21, the volume of the cone. This is the volume, 432 pi. The height of the cone is 9, so that's h. We have to find the radius. So we're working backwards. So pi r squared h over 3. Our volume is 432 pi. We have pi times r squared times a height of 9, all divided by 3. And then, well, you can divide 9 by 3 and reduce that, but just in case you don't have a question like that, I'm going to go ahead and show that you do need to multiply by 3 on both sides. So 432 pi times 3 is 1296 pi. And that equals pi r squared 9. I'm going to divide by 9 pi on both sides. Okay, so these pi's will reduce, these 9's will reduce. I'm left with r squared on the right. And over here, the pi's reduce. So when you divide by 9, you get 144. And then we take the square root of both sides. Square root of 144 is 12, so my radius is 12 centimeters. Okay. All right, that is the end of cones. So I'll stop that video and then we'll have one final video for the spheres and the bonus.